Hi, to make your Google Pixel Watch free Vibrate only, as a first step, swipe down from your current watch face to go in Settings. Now we need to pick Sound first and scroll a bit down so we can disable the screen unlocking sound and charging sounds by tapping on the switchers like that. Now we need to go back in Settings and then pick Vibration. So here, enable vibration and haptics by tapping on the switcher and it will light up yellow. Then you can adjust ring vibration by tapping plus or minus to increase or decrease vibration. The same you can do for notifications and for alarms. And additionally, you can enable touch feedback and vibrate using Crown. So for that, just tap on the switchers and you'll immediately notice the difference. Then we can go in Vibration Watch and enable this one as well to get the current time as vibrations. So when the screen is on, you can tap the watch face with 2 fingers to check the time. Single tap for the hour, double tap for minutes. Here we can find vibration type. We can enable this one as well and select vibration speed. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.